This thing might look done. It looks real nice. I love the way it came out, but it's really not finished. I got 2 more small finishing touches I gotta do to it. Now the white Raptor bed liner came out super nice. I love it, but I didn't quite have enough, so I figured I would not do the bottom at the time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the bottom with black. That way, if it gets slid in and out of a car, it's not gonna get dirty and ruined, and it'll give it sort of like a nice little skid pad to slide in and out on. I do have some black bed liner, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip this thing up on its side, and I'm gonna tape it off and shoot the bottom black. Let's take these 24-inch woofers out, clean it up, get it shot on the bottom, let it dry, glue the LEDs in the rest of the way, wire the woofers up, play with it a little bit on the test bench, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it after that, but we should be able to do something fun. The LEDs are in, they're finished, they're exactly where I want them to be, they look great. They're just not permanent yet, but they're gonna be as soon as this box is done, so just keep watching, you'll see. Well, let's do this. Let's knock this thing out. I'm tired of looking at it. Oh, nope. All right, it's been about a week since I hurt my back. And man, let me tell you, it was nothing nice. Actually, it's not as bad as I've had before, where I've actually had to lay on the couch for about 4 or 5 days. You know, it just hurt for 4 or 5 days. I wasn't couch ridden, so that was good. But I really couldn't do too much heavy lifting. But now I'm back in action, and I'm ready to get this thing done. So let's get started again. Remember, when you're setting stuff down, bend your legs and have good posture, or else that can happen to you. You can reach down and pick up a piece of paper and have that happen. But those 24s are nothing nice. So let that be a lesson. Alright, the hard part's over, all the taping. Now it's time to have a little bit of fun. As you can see, it's ready to go. All we gotta do is mix up our Raptor, spray it on there, let it dry, and this thing will be a done deal.
To the roster, what do you call it? Like a eggshell monster, like ass faces going up. Crack.
I'll be the first one to tell you, there ain't nothing really exciting about what I just did. I just shot the bottom of the box black. So it's got black Raptor liner on the bottom and bright white liner all around the rest of it. Just the small little details. Probably nobody's ever even gonna see that. The black is gonna turn up just a little bit onto the 45s, but nobody will probably ever see it. But I know it's there, and I think it looks pretty good. So after that thing dries, I'll be able to lay it back down on its back again and finish up the LEDs, finish up the wiring, and then call this thing a done deal, 100%. I can't wait. Grab that side over there. all the way. Okay, hold on. Get that thing out of there.
This?
Yeah. We all got it, so don't need to down.
Oh my.
You're okay. I got it. KK's got it. KK, grab the bottom there. We're gonna lift it up. We're gonna push it that way, the way we just did it. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah,
On the cart?
Yeah, it's on the cart. Lift it up.
Gotta go back.
Yeah, we gotta go a little more. Cool. Perfect. You gotta come my way, son. That's good, guys. Thank you. Go. Very good. All right, all the bed lining is done. All the LEDs are done. All the wiring is done. All that's left to do is drop the woofers in and call this thing a wrap. That right there is a done deal. All right, that thing is 100% complete, and I couldn't be happier with it. It sounds great, it goes nice and deep, and it plays loud enough to make this shop damn near want to collapse. I can't imagine it inside someone's car at full power.